In the ever-evolving world of digital currencies, the Pi network has quietly but steadily grown into a global movement, capturing the imagination of millions across continents. Today, it unites over 60 million pioneers, ordinary people from every walk of life, all connected by a shared belief in the future of accessible digital money. These users aren't just passive investors. They're actively building a vibrant global community around a vision of cryptocurrency that's accessible, fair, and designed for everyday use. From tech enthusiasts to families and students, pioneers are spreading knowledge, helping each other, and growing the network together. Pi's explosive growth is fueled by a simple yet powerful idea. Anyone, anywhere, can mine Pi directly on their phone, with no expensive hardware or technical expertise required. This approach has truly democratized crypto, opening the doors to people from every background, country, and age group, making digital currency more inclusive than ever before. Unlike many other projects that rely on a small group of early adopters, Pi's greatest strength is its massive distributed user base, creating a living, breathing, and truly decentralized ecosystem. The excitement is real. Millions of pioneers are eagerly waiting for Pi to become a fully functional digital currency, ready to use for real-world payments, purchases, and more. Ultimately, the story of Pi is about people, 60 million strong, on the verge of turning a bold, ambitious vision into reality and shaping the future of money together. Pi Network set out to solve crypto's biggest problem: accessibility. While Bitcoin required expensive computers and technical know-how, Pi's founders made mining as easy as tapping an app on your phone. Using the energy-efficient Stellar Consensus Protocol, Pi secures its network through trusted social circles, not power-hungry machines. This people-first approach makes Pi lightweight, battery-friendly, and open to all. The vision goes beyond speculation. Pi aims to power real-world transactions and decentralized apps, making it a currency for daily life. By lowering barriers and focusing on utility, Pi has built a massive, loyal following of people who were once excluded from crypto. It's a bold experiment, a decentralized currency distributed and controlled by its global community. Pi Network is preparing for a major leap, integrating with the ISO 2022 Global Financial Standard by November 2025. This isn't just a technical upgrade. It's a bold step that positions Pi to join the ranks of the world's most trusted financial networks. By adopting this universal messaging standard, Pi is signaling its readiness to operate on a truly global scale, where security, efficiency, and interoperability are paramount. This move connects Pi directly to the world's banking systems, enabling fast, transparent, and regulated cross-border payments. Imagine sending money to family overseas or settling international business transactions in seconds, all powered by Pi's technology. The integration will allow Pi to communicate seamlessly with banks and financial institutions worldwide, breaking down barriers that have long slowed global commerce. ISO 2022 compliance puts Pi alongside established digital assets like XRP and Stellar, opening doors to international remittances and business payments. This means Pi is no longer just a digital experiment. It's entering the same league as the world's leading payment networks, trusted by millions for secure, reliable transactions. For pioneers, this means Pi could soon be used for real financial services, not just as a digital token. Everyday purchases, bill payments, and even salary transfers could become possible, making Pi a practical tool for daily life and empowering users in regions with limited banking access. Aligning with global regulations builds trust with users, institutions, and regulators, crucial for long-term growth. Regulatory compliance is the foundation for partnerships with banks and businesses, ensuring Pi's future is both secure and sustainable. Pi's strategy is clear: move beyond crypto's Wild West and become a legitimate, sustainable financial instrument. By embracing structure and oversight, Pi is setting itself apart from countless other digital currencies, aiming for real-world impact and stability. The wait is almost over. Pi's integration with global finance is within reach. As the November 2025 deadline approaches, anticipation is building among users, developers, and industry leaders alike. This is the key step to unlocking Pi's real-world value for millions worldwide. With this integration, Pi is poised to transform from a promising idea into a powerful tool for global financial inclusion and innovation. As Pi network grows, Dubai has emerged as the world's crypto capital, by design, not by chance. Dubai's leaders have created a welcoming, stable environment for digital assets, attracting top talent and major companies. Unlike hesitant or hostile regulators elsewhere, Dubai embraced blockchain as a transformative force. Major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase have set up shop here, fueling a vibrant, competitive ecosystem. For global crypto projects, a presence in Dubai is now essential. Dubai isn't just hosting crypto, it's integrating digital assets into its economy, making it a living lab for the future of money. The city is actively shaping the next chapter of finance, not just watching from the sidelines. Dubai's rise as a crypto hub is anchored by its Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority, or VARA. Established in 2022, VARA created a clear, modern legal framework tailored for digital assets, fostering innovation while ensuring security and stability. Dubai's regulations emphasize global standards, especially in anti-money laundering and customer verification. This clarity attracts mature projects like Pi, offering a safe, predictable environment for growth. Unlike the legal uncertainty elsewhere, Dubai's rules let companies plan, invest, and innovate with confidence. The result? The UAE now boasts one of the world's highest crypto adoption rates. Dubai proves that smart regulation encourages, not stifles, digital innovation. Here, regulation and progress go hand in hand, building a thriving digital economy. So what's the real connection between Pi Network and Dubai? There's no official partnership, but Dubai's crypto-friendly laws create fertile ground for Pi's community to thrive. As of 2025, Pi Coin is legally recognized for trading in Dubai, giving pioneers security and legitimacy. This legal clarity allows open peer-to-peer transactions and community events, something rare in many countries. Dubai's high crypto adoption and digital payments infrastructure make it the perfect testing ground for Pi's real-world economy. The city acts as a strategic hub, enabling Pi's vision without direct government endorsement. Dubai's model shows how governments can empower grassroots crypto movements by fostering freedom and opportunity. For Pi's global community, Dubai offers a tangible foothold in a major economic center. Dubai's commitment to digital assets is proven by bold, practical actions. In May 2025, Dubai partnered with Crypto.com to let residents pay government fees in crypto, a huge step toward a cashless society. This move legitimizes digital currencies for everyday use, setting a precedent for businesses to follow. Dubai is also adopting global standards like the Crypto Asset Reporting Framework, ensuring transparency and compliance. These initiatives create a supportive environment for projects like Pi, aligning with its vision of real-world utility. Dubai's strategy is cohesive. From government adoption to major exchange partnerships, it's all in on digital finance. For pioneers, Dubai offers a glimpse of a future where Pi is seamlessly integrated into a major world economy. Pi Network's global community needs a real-world anchor, and Dubai is the perfect fit. Its location, infrastructure, and multicultural vibe make it ideal for international Pi meetups and events. Dubai's open visa policies and travel connections make it easy for pioneers worldwide to gather and collaborate. Legal recognition of Pi enables a local marketplace where businesses can confidently accept Pi for goods and services. Dubai could become the first thriving Pi-powered economy, a model for other crypto-friendly cities. More than just logistics, Dubai's embrace signals legitimacy and stability for the Pi community. It gives pioneers a shared destination and a platform to showcase their progress to the world. The synergy between Pi Network's global community and Dubai's ambitious digital strategy is truly powerful. Dubai, a city known for its rapid transformation and embrace of innovation, is uniquely positioned to help bring the Pi vision to life. Here, people from all walks of life are connected by technology, and the city's forward-thinking mindset creates fertile ground for new digital economies to flourish. As Pi moves toward ISO 2022 compliance and the highly anticipated open mainnet, Dubai stands ready as a launchpad for real-world adoption. The city's infrastructure, combined with its openness to blockchain and digital assets, makes it an ideal environment for Pi to transition from concept to everyday utility. The city's proactive regulation, crypto payments for government services, and global partnerships are building a new economic reality. Dubai's government is not just observing the crypto revolution, it's actively shaping it, setting standards that other cities may soon follow. For pioneers, Dubai is proof that using Pi for real transactions is possible now, not just a dream. Everyday people are already experiencing the benefits of digital currency in their daily lives, from shopping to paying for services, making the future of decentralized finance feel tangible and immediate. Dubai's success could inspire other cities to follow, accelerating Pi's global adoption. As more urban centers witness Dubai's achievements, they may be encouraged to adopt similar strategies, creating a ripple effect that brings the Pi network to millions more worldwide. While not an official partner, Dubai is an indispensable ally, offering the legal, cultural, and economic foundation Pi needs. Its commitment to innovation and inclusivity provides a stable base for Pi's growth, ensuring that the network can thrive in a supportive environment. Here, the digital aspirations of millions can finally connect with the global financial system, starting a new chapter in the story of money. Dubai is not just a city of the future, it's a living example of how technology, vision, and community can come together to redefine what's possible for the world.